Hey folks, Mark.West with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to talk about the beautiful Arctic Fox fifth wheel. It's a 27 SL 5L. Let me take you around inside first to show you some of the beauty. Arctic Fox always has the really solid steps. This is a 2-slide fifth wheel. Here you've got your living room combination kitchen. You can see the quality of this. Arctic Fox by Northwood Manufacturing always uses solid wood cabinetry. Raised panel cabinets, just like in a residence that you'd find in a really high quality house. High ceilings, you've got a beautiful fan over here, you've got air conditioning, heating. Arctic Fox is always 4-season weatherized, so you can live in this year-round anywhere in America and enjoy yourselves. Here you've got a double sink. Nice composite counters. You've got 3-burner gas stove, oven. Got a Furrion microwave. This is a convection microwave. People really like these. Lots of storage. They match the refrigerator with the cabinetry and the freezer as well. You've got your stereo system, your TV, beautiful carpeting, beautiful flooring. Come on up here. Even us tall folks can get into these bathrooms. I'm almost 6'5". You can see this works for anybody. Nice sink and cabinetry here. Let's come on through the other side into the bedroom. You've got a very high quality pillow top mattress. This is queen size. Once again, lots of storage. And the beautiful cabinetry that they always use. Got nightstands built in on both sides of the bed. You got a fantastic vent, skylight, air conditioning, double axles, power awning with outdoor speakers. Those are marine grade speakers, so you can have music outside when you're camping over the weekend. You've got roof access. Let's come on this way. We've got pass-through storage that goes all the way to the other side. Lots of room for whatever you need to store on your trip. There's your double batteries storage right there. There's the water connections and the battery kill switch. Well folks, come on down to Guaranty and let's show you this beautiful Arctic Fox, and appreciate it.